Kaiber AI is making waves in the video creation space, but does it live up to the hype? If you're a content creator looking for a reliable AI video generator, this might be the tool for you, or it might not. Let's find out. Kaiber AI positions itself as an intuitive video generation tool that caters to creators of all levels. At its core, the platform allows users to transform text prompts into engaging videos, leveraging AI to streamline the creative process. The user interface is pretty straightforward, making it accessible even for those who might not be tech savvy. One standout feature is its ability to generate visually appealing animations and transitions, which can really enhance the storytelling aspect of your videos. You can also customize various elements, which gives a touch of personal flair to your creations. However, while it seems user-friendly, I noticed some areas that felt a bit vague, especially regarding the limitations on video length and the range of styles available. Overall, Kaiber AI appears geared toward marketers, educators, and social media enthusiasts looking to produce quick content without diving deep into video editing software. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, Kaiber AI is incredibly easy to use, which is a huge win for those who want to create videos without a steep learning curve. The AI-generated visuals can look quite professional, making your content stand out. However, the platform isn't without its drawbacks. Some users might find the customization options a bit limiting if they're looking for highly specific styles or advanced editing features. Additionally, the pricing model isn't crystal clear, which could be a concern for budget-conscious creators. If you're someone who thrives on customization and detailed editing, Kaiber might not meet all your needs. But for those who want to whip up quick videos with a polished look, it could be a solid choice. In conclusion, Kaiber AI is definitely worth considering if you're a content creator seeking an efficient way to produce videos. However, if you require extensive customization and advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels like a trustworthy tool for quick, eye-catching content creation.